क्या अभय देओल के पास्ट रिलेशनशिप्स में उनके साथ हुई थी वायलेंस? क्या है अभय देओल के मैरिज प्लान्स? Well, Abhay Deol recently spoke about facing violence in past relationships and revealed if he plans to marry. Well, Bollywood actor Abhay Deol जो जाने जाते हैं अपनी परफॉर्मेंसेस के लिए इन फिल्म्स लाइक देवटी एंड जिंदगी ना मिलेगी दोबारा, हमेशा से अपनी अनकन्वेंशनल करियर चॉइसेस के लिए रहे हैं इन द न्यूज. While he usually keeps his personal life private, he recently shared insights into his past relationships, revealing experiences of emotional turmoil and violence. He also spoke about his views on marriage, emphasizing his preference for solitude over being in an unhappy relationship. He expressed that in the grand scheme of life, feelings evolve without judgment. Some may find lifelong companionship, others may explore multiple connections, while some choose solitude to discover themselves. Abhay Deol also shared his views on marriage, stating that he does not consider it a natural part of life. He expressed a preference for being single rather than in an unhappy relationship and said, "I would rather be single and lonely than coupled up and miserable." Reflecting on his past experiences, he acknowledged for having positive and challenging relationships. Abhay Deol ने relationships की toxicity को share करते हुए कहा, "I don't believe in violence and I had a lot of trauma in some of my past relationships. They have turned violent as well, emotional mainly." He emphasized that such situations are unhealthy for both partners and viewed them as valuable learning experiences rather than placing blame. अभय ने यह भी रिवील किया कि once he dated a narcissist और उनका पार्टनर था मैनिपुलेटिव एंड इमोशनली डिस्टेंट. हालांकि उन्होंने ये भी रिवील किया कि उन्हें फुलफिलिंग और चैलेंजिंग दोनों रिलेशनशिप्स मिले हैं, admitting that at times he was at fault while in others he received immense support from his partners. Well, वर्क फ्रंट की बात करें तो अभय देओल अब बन टिक्की में नजर आएंगे विद शबाना आजमी एंड जीनत अमान.